How to fix Instagram story bad video quality after upload. So all you have to do is to go here to your Instagram application now. Before we start everything is that the quality of the video actually depends on your internet connection. The stronger your internet connection, the better the quality of the video is. So, and of course, you have to make sure that the quality of the video is actually good before uploading it. And here to actually fix your Instagram story bad video quality is to go here to your Instagram application. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to go here to your profile, and then on the upper right, you will see three dash lines there. Tap on that, and then go to settings, and then go to your account here and look for data usage. It's under the sharing to other apps. Here on data usage, you have to toggle off the use less cellular data and then toggle on the upload at highest quality. And with this, your video quality will be automatically be in a highest quality as possible depending on your internet connection. And basically, that is how you fix Instagram story bad video quality after upload. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.